Today we're going to bring a cleaning solution for your dog's paw, and if it starts to smell, maybe they have some fungus, maybe you want to put this on. It has a brush. They give you a refill of another one and a carrying bag, and it's very simple. All you got to do is push the button, the foam comes out, you scrub it down, let it dry just a little bit, and then you clean it up. All right, so you could go in between paws and so forth. Very simple. Grab his paw here, go like this. Good boy. You get a cookie after this. No, I'm not gonna do yours no more. You were crying. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and scrub one of our paws just to make sure that we get the foam going. Alright, so we got a cat here, and we're gonna do some cleaning. Make sure you have your cloth near you so you could actually clean it once it dries up. So what we're gonna do is shake this one. There's a paw. Once you scrub down, just make sure you scrub it nice and clean like that. Once you have it a little dried up, all you gotta do is get a wipe and just pass it through like that so we can see it. And then we get the other one. This cat lets himself, so you get this, squish it once, scrub it down. He wants to play. That's all he wants to do, play. So we get that. Try it out. That's it.